Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send money directly between bank accounts in the U.S. It's a peer-to-peer payment network that enables instant transfers with no fees for personal use. Key benefits include instant transfers that typically arrive in minutes, no fees for sending or receiving money, and security features like encryption and FDIC insurance up to $250,000. Zelle is integrated within the Wells Fargo mobile app, allowing you to send money to almost anyone with a U.S. bank account. Download the app from your device's app store. No need for cash or checks. Everything happens digitally through your bank account. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step, from accessing Zelle to sending your first payment. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your iOS or Android device. Log in using your username, password, and any required two-factor authentication, such as a code sent to your phone or biometric login. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines. Then select Pay and Transfer. From the options, choose Zelle. If this is your first time using Zelle within the Wells Fargo app, you'll need to enroll. This involves verifying your identity. You'll likely be asked to verify your email address or phone number via a one-time code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enrollment process. This is a one-time setup. Once enrolled, you'll see options to send or request money through Zelle in the app. To send money, you'll need to add the recipient. Tap Send Money or Pay Someone. You can add a recipient by entering their mobile number or email address. A key update in 2025 allows you to import contacts directly from your phone book with permission, making it even easier. If the recipient isn't already enrolled with Zelle, they will receive a text or email inviting them to sign up. Input the amount of money you want to send. Select the funding source. This is the Wells Fargo checking or savings account you want to use for the transfer. Add a brief note describing the payment, such as dinner bill or rent. The app may even suggest categories for your payment using its Smart Pay initiative. Before sending, carefully double-check all the details: the recipient's contact information, the amount, and the funding source. Once you're sure everything is correct, authorize the transaction with your PIN or biometric authentication. Finally, tap Send to initiate the transfer. After sending the payment, you can track its status in the Activity tab within the Wells Fargo app. Here you can see a list of your transactions with their current status. If the recipient is enrolled with Zelle through any participating bank, the money typically arrives within minutes. Otherwise, it may take 1 to 3 business days for the transfer to complete. The recipient will also receive a notification about the transfer through their email or mobile device. If there's an issue, you can request the money back within 24 hours of sending it. Important considerations for using Zelle include understanding that transactions become irreversible after 24 hours, so always double-check the recipient's email or mobile number to avoid sending money to the wrong person. This is crucial as account takeover scams can lead to unauthorized transfers. Next, ensure your Wells Fargo account has sufficient funds before sending money. Zelle does not offer overdraft protection, so insufficient funds can result in failed transfers or fees. Zelle is designed for personal peer-to-peer payments only. It should not be used for business transactions or sending cryptocurrency, as it's not equipped for those purposes and may violate terms. For enhanced security, Wells Fargo's Zelle Protect feature automatically scans transactions for suspicious activity using AI. It offers instant reimbursements for confirmed fraud and incorporates biometric authentication, like fingerprints, to reduce unauthorized access. Finally, always be cautious of scams. According to FTC reports, Zelle scams like romance fraud have led to significant losses. Only send money to trusted individuals and watch for red flags such as unsolicited requests or urgent payment demands.